Hi guys, hope you're well. I thought I'd quickly do a video about AI, all these AI bots, and wow, technology is fantastic. But really, would you deal with an AI bot? You know, come on, guys. When you're when you're building a business or you're interested in a business and you want to deal with real people, not bots. Bots are great. They have their own thing. They're good for building businesses. Blah blah blah. Great for chat BTC, whatever it's called. Yeah, fantastic for that. Good for SEO. Good for writing emails. Fantastic. But really, come on, guys. I think AI has gone a bit kind of crazy this year. I really, really do. Yes, you can use images. It's really good for images. It's fantastic for that. I love it. But really, when I'm looking online for a business or traffic or whatever, or if I'm interested in buying something online, I don't want to deal with a bot. Really, it's great for content building. Great, using it as a template. Fantastic. But you get. I had a conversation the other day. There's this bot called I don't know what it's called, and it's very very good, fantastic. But you know, yes, it's sending people's emails and stuff. It's even phoning people up. But really, come on, if people want to deal with real people, you know, what is the world coming to? You know, AI. We're going to get taken over by AI in the next few years, that's for sure. But in business, you've got to deal with real people because at the end of the day, you've got to build relationships up, with people to get their trust. Who's going to deal with an AI bot? Would you trust a bot? Really? No, I don't think so. That's my take on it. I think the technology is fantastic. I love the technology. It's really, really good. It has its own thing, for getting traffic, emails, all that sort of stuff. Fantastic. Good, great for building websites or whatever, or images. Brilliant for images. Fantastic. But as a salesperson, it's going to be a crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. It's like phoning up these companies and all of a sudden say, "Oh, can you please, number one, can you hold? Can you hold, please? Number three, number four, number five. Come on, you want to deal with real people, guys. That's my take on it, anyway. Meanwhile, have a great day. That's my little spiel of today. A topic of AI. Really, is it really good? I'll let you decide. Catch you later, guys.